This video is going to go through how to make a works cited page for your essay. So first of all, you'll need to go to easybib.com. Ignore that part after it. You would just be typing in what's up here, www.easybib.com. Once you're there, you should see a screen like this, and you should make sure that MLA8 is selected. If you've chosen anything else, or if it defaults to anything else, just click here and it'll go back. The next thing you need to do is decide what kind of citation you're doing. So everybody's going to be citing the book Speak. So you would click on source type here and you would click on book. This might look a little different from how you remember it, just because they've updated things a little bit. But then you can try to just find it. Okay, so if you type in Speak and click Cite, you might come up with the right one. However, a lot of times you can't find the exact one that you need, so we're just going to go through how to manually cite it. Okay, so I'll click Manual Cite underneath. It'll take us to a page that looks like this. Again, it'll give you a chance to search for it. If you do search for it, it might not have all the information, so it'll take you to this page either way. It'll just have more filled in for you. But let's say we're doing this all on our own. So we are citing the whole book. You'll notice there are options for doing chapters or just an introduction, but we're doing the whole book. Our author's name is Laurie, spelled like this, so make sure that you're careful with that. Halse Anderson. Okay. We don't need any other contributors. If there was like an editor or a translator, you could always add that, but you don't have to do anything with that. The source title is Speak. It's the name of our book. It's the title. The advanced info, like volume, edition, things like that, are more for textbooks, so you don't need to fill in anything with this. The publication issue info you can find on the publication page. It is right before the dedication page if you're looking in our book. So the page that says to Sandy Bernstein, the one right before it has all the information that you need. The publisher for this book, though, is Squarefish, and the year it was published is 1999. And then you click Complete Citation. I just skipped over the video. So your citation should show up here at the end. Then you need to add your other one. So it depends kind of on what you're doing here. But you'll know some options. So film/online video. If you're doing a movie, you'll see down further television. You will see musical recording. So you won't find song, but you'll find musical recording. Okay, so let's maybe do that one, or you could do another book. I think those are pretty much the only options that people really have. It's either television, film/online video, or musical recording. So let's look at this one. Okay, once again, you could just type it in, or you could go manual cite. So we'll do this one just to make sure that it makes sense either way. Okay, so it appears that with the update, there are still some bugs in EasyBib, and you won't be able to cite a song through here because this is not coming up with the correct information, even though it still says that that is what you're supposed to click on to cite a song. So I'll show you how to do that at the end of this video. But for now, that one will for sure works. That's one of the main ones. Let's check if television is working. Okay, so this one's working. Again, you can type in your show here, and you might have more luck this time. But let's say you still were doing this manually. A lot of times people are citing the whole series, not a single season or episode or anything like that. So everything with that is fine. You will probably only be able to do the creator because usually shows up a lot of different writers. I don't know who this would be. Frank Anderson. Well, we already have Anderson because of our book. So I don't know. Frank Phillips. Let's just call this something people will recognize so you can actually see what it is. you might not find all of this information, but this information is talking about the city and state for the network. So AMC, maybe it's in New York. It's not uncommon. Like that. And we put down when it first aired. So let's say it was September 7th, 2011. I don't know. But you would find that information. If you had trouble finding that information, go to imdb.com and you should be able to find it. Okay. And then again, you would click Create Citation. And you would have your new citation down here. Okay. Once you have both of them, what you need to do is click Export, Save to Google Docs. It'll take just a little bit. It'll give you this link to your Google Docs. You'll want to go there right away. And it'll have your Works Cited page already created for you in MLA format. So this is why it's better than just trying to copy and paste it over, as it already formats it for you. So what you'll do is you'll take all of that and put it into a document where you're going to keep your entire essay. So you'll need a blank document already made, and you would put that there. Now, if you had a song that you were doing, this is what you need to follow. So this is the owl.purdue website. If you type in MLA format or MLA citation song, you should see a link come up for this right away, or you can just follow it on here. You're going to follow this format. Okay, so you'll put the artist name first. Okay, so you'll want to make sure that it's in alphabetical order. So here I have an A. Here I have The Walking Dead. Here I'll put oh, I don't know. What music am I playing today? Okay, Band of Horses. So I'll do one for them. Okay, so I'll put the name for the musician, and then I'll put the name for the song. If you're using a whole album, just leave this off. But say we're doing the song Older. Okay, then you put the name of the album. I think is correct for that one. You put the publisher. That I have no idea of. Let's just say it is Geffen, even though it's absolutely not. And then you put the date, or the year, sorry, which is probably somewhere around here. Okay, and notice at the end I have commas in between these, and earlier I have periods here. Okay, so that's how you would cite a song, or if it was an entire album, you would take this out, and that's how you would cite an entire album. Okay, I'm going to leave that. Alright, so that's the end of this video on making a Works Cited page.